First thing you guys are going to do is you want to saute some mushrooms and onions, or any vegetables you guys prefer. And what I added after that was some vegan meatless meat. The brand that I use is Boca. I used 2 bags of it. And then I just mixed it around really well so we can get that mushroom and onion taste. After that, you want to add your favorite herbs, and I use some garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and I just mix it around after that. There are some other herbs that I added towards the end, which you guys will see. You're going to want to let this sit for a good 10 to 15 minutes and on a, I want to say like a medium heat. I didn't put it on a high heat, but while I had some spare time, I did wash the peppers that I was going to use. I did make a lot because I asked my mom if she would like to come over for dinner with her and her boyfriend, so that's the reason why I made so many peppers and used like 2 bags of meatless meat. But again, while you have all this time, you can start carving out your peppers. Basically, it's like carving out your pumpkin. You want to start off with the top, and then you want to work your way to like the face part. So I took out the seeds, all that stuff that was inside, and not to mention, you guys, this is kind of hard because the pepper does sink in when you are cutting it, so be very careful. But by like the 4th pepper, I got the hang of it. And again, they do not need to look perfect. Pumpkins and all that little decorations for Halloween are meant to look creepy and scary, so the uglier the face is, the better. I did place my peppers in a glass casserole dish, and with the rest of the leftover peppers with me cutting out the faces, I am just going to use that into that little mixture I have sauteing. Once I mixed around the peppers, I added in some parsley. I added parsley in towards the end because it likes to burn faster than the other herbs. And then I added in about, I want to say like half a cup of tomato sauce. And then I did add 1 tablespoon of vegan mayo, only because I did not want this mixture to dry out. Speaking of drying out, you guys, you want to add some tomato sauce around the peppers. You don't have to add a lot, just skim it around. And when it comes to placing everything into the pepper, I decided to put some vegan cheese onto the bottom along with the filling. Now, you could do it either way, depends on how you like your peppers, your stuffed peppers. I prefer it this way because then again, it does not get dried out as well. And for the glue, I added in some tomato sauce on top because along with that, I added some extra cheese on top. So I find that if I didn't put the tomato sauce on top, the cheese was everywhere. So here's the downfall to these, you guys. This has to bake in the oven for a good 45 to 50 minutes. I put the tops of the peppers on in the oven as well so you can eat those. And after almost an hour, here is the final product. These are delicious. They kind of taste like tacos, but without the shell. But if you guys enjoyed this recipe, let me know down below and let me see your creations through Instagram. And I wish you guys a happy Halloween.